हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू लेक्चर 6। आज इस वीडियो में हम बताएंगे कि कैसे न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करते हैं और ये न्यूमेरिकल एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो यहाँ पे सीरीज सर्किट और पैरेलल सर्किट के फॉर्मूलेज मैं रिमाइंड करवा रही हूँ। आर इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 एंड पैरेलल की केस में 1/RP इक्वल टू 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3। In this circuit, in this, there is one question. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistance of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? So first of all, find R equivalent. So add all resistance, we get total resistance. So 13.4 and 9 volt battery. So current will be I equal to V by R equivalent. So 9 by 13.4. So answer will be 0.67 ampere. Next question. Judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. So there are two resistance 1 ohm and 10 to the power 6 ohm. So 10 to the power 6 ohm is very greater than 1 ohm. So when they are connected in parallel, so 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6 plus 1 is very negligible. So 10 to the power 6 by 10, 1 ohm. So 1 ohm and next 1 ohm, 1 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 6 ohm. All are connected in parallel. So here 10 to the power 6 plus 10 to the power 3 plus 10 to the power 1. So almost 0.99, that is equivalent to 1. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm and a water filter of resistance 500 are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that take as much current as all three appliances, and what is the current through it? So resistance R1 100 ohm, R2 50 ohm and R3 500 ohm, and total voltage is 220 volt. So first of all find R equivalent. So 1 by R1, 1 by R2 and 1 by R3. Put the value and we get the answer equal to 500 by 60 ohm. So according to Ohm's law, P equal to IR, I equal to V by R. So here 7.04 ampere is the current drawn by all three appliances. Next, potential difference. Its resistance is R equal to V by I. So to 31.25 ohm resistance. Current flowing through the 7.04 ampere and resistance of iron is 31. How can three resistance of 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to given total resistance 4 ohm? So first of all check. So first of all draw the diagram, and R1 is connected in parallel with R2 and R3. So 6 ohm and 3 ohm equivalent to 2 ohm. So 2 ohm plus 2 ohm equal to how much? 4 ohm. So answer 4 ohm, got the answer. And then 1 ohm. So how get 1 ohm? So all three resistance is connected in parallel, then it must be possible. So here 5 plus 1 plus 6 by ohm. So this is the question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit, the current through the circuit and the potential difference across the electric current and lamp. So here resistance is 20 ohm and conductor resistance is 4 ohm and they are connected 6 volt battery. So first of all this is a diagram. 4 ohm, 20 ohm, 6 volt. All are connected in series. So equivalent resistance will be 24 ohm. And the 24 ohm resistance I, the potential difference, and then find V2. So first of all find R equivalent. So R is equal to R1 plus R2 and V equal to IR. So R1 plus R2 equal to 24 ohm, and in this RS equal to 24 ohm. So total current I equal to 6 by 24. So 1 by 4 that is equivalent to 0.25 ampere. And last question is potential difference across the electric conductor and lamp. So V1 equal to IR1. So I is 0.2 and R1 is 20. So 5 volt is the potential difference across the electric lamp, and potential difference across the electric conductor V2 equal to IR2. So I is 0.25 and R2 is 4. So here 1 volt is the potential difference. And next question is 6. In the circuit diagram given, suppose the resistor R1, R2 and R3 have the value 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 30 ohm respectively, which have been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate the current through each resistor, the total current and the total resistance. Here is a R1 equal to 5 ohm, R2 equal to 10 ohm and R3 equal to 30 ohm and V equal to 12 volt, and I1, I2 and I3 current through the each resistor. So R1 equal to 5 ohm, R2 equal to 10 ohm and R3 equal to 30 ohm. So here voltage is 12 volt, and so effective resistance will be 1 by R1, 1 by R2 and 1 by R3. So first of all solve the equation. We get the RP. RP equal to 1 by 3 means 3 ohm, and total current I equal to, first of all find I1, I2 and I3. So in this way total current the and I1 plus I2 plus I3. So 4 ampere is been total current, and the total current, then total resistance. So if the circuit diagram R1 equal to 10 ohm, R2 equal to 40 ohm, R3 equal to 30 ohm, R4 equal to 20 ohm and R5 equal to 60 ohm. Our 12 volt battery is connected to the armature. Calculate the total resistance and total current. So R1, R2 are connected in parallel, R3, R4, R5 connected in parallel. So first of all solve R1 and R2. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40 connected in parallel. So formula 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40 equivalent to 5 by 40, that is Rp1 equal to 8, and total resistance, then total current, total resistance Rp1, then again find Rp2, 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. So here 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60 equivalent to 60, 2, 3 and 1. So 6, 1 by 10. So Rp2 equal to 10. So R equivalent equal to Rp1 plus Rp2. So 10 plus 8 equivalent to 18. So total resistance is R, and total current equal to I equal to B by R equivalent. B equal to 12 volt by 18. So I equal to 2 by 3, and 2 by 3 is the 0.67 ampere. And next 8. So how would you connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance 9 ohm and 4 ohm. So R1 equal to 6 ohm, R2 equal to 6 ohm, R3 equal to 6 ohm. So how to connect? So first of all all three are connected in parallel. So R1 and R2 connected in parallel, so get the answer 3, and this is connected to series, so 6 plus 3 equal to 9. And similar way how to find 4? So how to find 4? So to get 4, R1 and R2 connected in series, and then 12 ohm connected in parallel with 6 ohm, so answer will be 4 ohm. So all about. And next question, what is the highest and the lowest resistance? So for highest resistance must be connected in series, and for lowest resistance connected in parallel. So total resistance 48 ohm, and for total equivalent resistance 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So this is the 1 by 2. And the next question is, how many 176 ohm resistance are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 volt lines? So here 220 volt 5 ampere and resistance. So first of all remember the formula R equivalent equal to R by N. So first of all find R equivalent. So here R equivalent equal to V by I. So 44 ohm and R is given. So R by R equivalent equal to 4 number of resistance is required for 176 ohm. So thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.